in the UK. So on the day I was to actually know the efficacy of rain soul was when I wanted to actually do a kind of guinea pig test on my wife. I bought just a box and I gave to her. When she started with it, I just discovered that the volume of blood coming from her system increased, and I was scared. But fortunately for me, there was a platform that was created where you could just ask questions. So I had to put that on the platform. Unfortunately, there is ever a doctor or a partner that must have gone through that process that will give you the reason why you are having such challenges. Fortunately, I think Dr. Jerry happens to be a gynecologist. I think he's one of the doctors on RAIN platform. So it was Dr. Jerry that now told me to remain calm, that it is one of the signs when the supplement starts working. And by the time we were getting to about the 6th day, the blood actually subsided. And throughout that month, she continued to take. And at the end of the day, we had no blood anymore. So by the time we now went for the test, actually we didn't go to, at first we didn't go to a medical practitioner. There was this man that they introduced to us, and it was even a medical practitioner that introduced the man to us. So I wanted to take her back to that place, but my wife now decided no, that we should go to the clinic and do another. Yes, so we now had to go to the clinic with the former result. So when we went to the clinic and got to the clinic and the thing was done, the doctor was like, "What happened?" I was shocked. I said, "I didn't understand." He said, "What did you use?" I said, "Well, we went through a process." He said, "What is the process?" Because I was scared. I didn't want to tell him that. I said, "We went through a process." He said, "What's the process?" At the end of the day, I didn't have any choice than to just tell the doctor, "These and these are what we used." And to the glory of God, the fibroid was cleaned up. And up until today, there was no sign of fibroid any longer. So the idea of, because it is something that we always look up to with heavy heart. Anytime it's nearing a period, everybody is in trouble in the house. The husband is in trouble, even the kids are in trouble. But to the glory of God, up until today, we have not had any story. And I have recommended it to about 3 other women, and they came back to give glory to God and RAIN International. Also, going forward, there is a friend of mine in the United States. He complained of hemorrhoids. I recommended soul, because soul has become Gogo At times, when you use soul for a particular thing, you will discover soul is doing something else. Without even touching what you are using it for, it will be doing something else. So at times it is like that before it comes back to what we actually want to use it for. So anytime, and like my Oga said, you have all these cases of maybe you have headache, you have reactions, no doubt about it. But our fears were allayed on the platform that look, when those things are happening, it means soul is actually working in your body. But if you don't have good counseling, you may think otherwise and just drop it by the side. But if you have good counseling, they will tell you it is still part of the process, because soul will work through all your body, whether it is your eye, whether it is your brain, whether it is your, because it works. I usually tell people that what it does in your body is that it regenerates your body cells. It regenerates your system. Not that it is for headache, not that it is for stomach problem. What it does is that it regenerates your body cells. It returns your body cell to how God created it. That is why it is able to be a go-go chain.
Thank you very, very much. Thank you.